turn out. I still think we got. I got a feeling we're gonna get one here. I just think it's. You know what I mean? Like you just have to wait till they wake up. Keep reeling. You got a fish, Lee. Close your bail. Close your bail. Pull him to the left. Lee, you got to close your bail. Kurt, get him to close his bail. You know. Got him. I got a fish. Come here, Lee. Here, I'll keep that rod bent nice and tight. That's a fish. Hey! Yep. Fish! Yeah! Wait, can you go over that one more time? I kind of want to get... Hi, Lee. How you doing this morning?
I'm doing fine.
You ready to be YouTube famous?
I'm ready for whatever you guys put me into.
All right.
You might become an internet sensation, Dad. You never know.
We got Kurt's dad Lee out here this morning, and we're gonna introduce him to some bead fishing. He has caught some salmon with us before, and some steelhead plug fishing, but now we're gonna introduce him to bead fishing. So go over what our baits are here, Kurt.
Yeah, so we're just doing a double bead setup. Again, everybody does it a little differently. Some people run the lower bead farther away, personal preference. Sometimes it's just the amount of line you tie up. It just happens to be that way. Running kind of an atomic yellow and sort of a muted orange. There's all sorts of different.
Get a look at that there.
Different colors, different bead styles. These are actually called Lazy Larry's beads. They come with a slot. If you're interested in reading about it, it's kind of a fascinating thing. I don't know if you can see that, Ricky, but there's a slot in the bead. So the theory is you can change the bead out without completely changing your rig, and they're pegged a little differently.
Very cool.
The other interesting thing about that bead, if you read up on it, is the fact that there's a slot in it creates a little bit more resistance under the water. And so the guys that kind of founded these things have claimed that you get more hits because they see the bead better. But anyway.
Nice. So if you want to change out the bead color, you're saying you don't have to retie a knot on your hook then?
Yep. So you can see it all on their website, but basically you can grab the end of the peg, and they have a special peg. It's harder than a typical soft peg. Pull it out, and then you can slot another bead in there, different colors. So instead of having to completely change your rig, you can just pop individual beads. I don't do that a lot, but anyway.
Very cool.
Then everybody has a different theory. You'll see people say anywhere from 2 to 3 fingers from your bead to the hook. I think these are tail out hooks by Blood Run. I believe these are number 6 hooks. Some people run 4s. Again, personal preference. So. Okay. Yeah, that's basically it.
What do you think, Lee? You think we're gonna get one this morning?
Really, what you're doing, you better not think. You better just listen.
Okay. Well, that's words of wisdom this morning. All right. Well, hopefully we'll be on some fish here this morning. We don't have a ton of time, but we're gonna try to get on some fish here. So stay tuned. It'll turn out. I still think we got. I got a feeling we're gonna get one here. I just think it's. You know what I mean? Like you just have to wait till they wake up. Keep reeling. You got a fish, Lee. Close your bail. Close your bail. Pull him to the left. Lee, you got to close your bail. Kurt, get him to close his bail. And pull. You got to get tight on him. He's going into the logs. Reel, pull. Pull. He's in those logs, guys. He's in the logs. Need more tension, I think. Just a little little bit more.
That was a fish, right?
He's on there still. But he's in there. He's in the wood.
Should we go in there?
No, you're not. You just gotta hope he swims out. Pull harder. Don't just, pull a little harder, slightly harder. Keep pulling, and reel down again. Reel down. he swam right into him. Because your drag is set right, I think, Kurt, you know? Got him, I got a fish. Come here, Lee. Here, keep that rod bent, nice and tight. Keep that rod high.
You know what? I got that.
Pull him that way, go back behind the boat. Good. Keep pulling him that way, keep that nice bend. Good job, Lee. How's that feel?
Feels like you got a whale on the end.
Good. Good.
What do you say?
Said snaggers.
He's doing fine.
Yeah.
Let him run now when he does that. He's doing great. Keep that pressure on him. Keep that rod bent.
He's a big one, Lee. He's gonna go on a big run in just a second, okay? And when he goes on that run, you let him go. Go up straight now. Straight. Point your rod back over the motor. There you go. Come on over to this side. Go straight up now on him. Good. Now lift that pole higher up yet. More. Keep lifting.
It's huge. That is a dimer.
Put this down at your waist if you have to. There you go.
That's a good size. That's a beautiful fish. That's a
Now
fresh fish.
now slide your way up to the front of the boat,
Slide
just
right
slowly.
to the front.
You're kind of right in the middle. Right there, okay, stay right there. Now reel, as you low, real
okay.
fast, real fast, real fast. Okay, now lift. There.
Oh, look at that. That is a great fish.
Okay.
You okay? There you go. Now get some back.
Good.
Is he red?
Yep. He'll should unwrap here in a second. He did for a second, yeah. He should come undone here in a second. You know what? We're gonna float with them. Sometimes they don't come undone right away. Anytime they wrap like this and they don't come undone, it's better on the fish too if you just float with them and net them real quick. 'Cause he looks like
Yeah, it looks
he's
like the
ready to
bead
go.
Maybe caught it.
You having fun yet?
This is a
Slide towards me once a little bit.
He is not giving up very easily.
There you go. Yeah, he's still wrapped, so we're gonna float with him. Go ahead and guide him in now. Kurt, yeah, I'll get that. Go ahead and let him lift, 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 lift.
Some more line.
All right.
Oh my word.
There, he's
Nice.
unwrapped.
So he just unwrapped in the net.
Well, you gotta stop the boat.
Okay, I dropped the anchor. We're good. All right, he unwrapped in the net, and he's hooked right in the corner of the mouth. Nice job, guys. Right, fish number 1 of the morning. Actually just lost a fish in the logs, and 5 minutes later, hooked up again, and Lee brought in this nice 7-pound chrome dimer. Nice work, guys. All right, releasing this first fish this morning. Got some line wrap marks. Got wrapped right at the end of the fight, but gave us a nice pull until then. She ate an 8mm orange bead, a real natural looking bead, and she's starting to come around. let her go. She's ready to swim down. Her head is going, she's nosing right back down for the bottom. All right, guys. What do you say? What do you think about all that, Lee?
I get a sore head when I think, but I want to keep having fun.
I love it. Love it. All right, let's get another one, guys. Nice work. That's a fish. Hey! Let go. Let go of your pool.
Oh my word. I did all of them.
You know what? You take as long as you want to bring this fish in, okay? You would just savor every second.
I'm having fun. Why would I? Why would I?
Don't rush this thing. So you got to use that 13-foot
You
pole.
lift this up and then you.
Yes, exactly.
There you go.
There you go. Still got some fun getting.
There you go.
I had it on the other side, and then he was going around the other side. Step up a little too.
Rod down a little lower first. Get it up here first. Okay, don't reel anymore.
13-foot pole's kind of nice.
All right, swing him in.
There you go.
All right, very nice. Let's see which one he hit. And it looks like a pink, the pink 10mm pink bead.
Look where.
Yeah, got him right under the. That's what happens in bead fishing. Sometimes they bite it and you get them outside the mouth.
Huh.
All right, nice. Well, let's get that after. All right, let's have a look at that pretty little skipper here. Picture time. Nice fish, you guys. Get on in there next to him, Lee. Let's get a pic. All right,
Got my gloves.
fish number 2 of the morning. We're 2 for 3 and getting towards the end of our little morning trip. Nice work, guys. I'll just
Tail is so.
here, just face him upstream then, and hold him where you are. Yeah. There you go. Thank you, little skipper. That was a nice, fun fight. Go get bigger, buddy. Yes. Way to go, guys. Give me some elbows. Corona bumps.
Corona safety.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We're not sure if we're going to get another fish. We're going to fish for maybe 20-30 more minutes. So this will be the outro probably because we got a couple fish and we're happy with that. So thanks again, Kurt, for having me.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Thanks, Lee, for bringing
Had a
in the
great
fish.
time, and thanks for the coaching.
Yeah, you got it. All right, catch us on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Well, this fish is just being stubborn, and I'm not really liking it because he's gonna roll up here twice in front of us and then just act like he doesn't want to eat, and I don't appreciate it. Fish! Yeah! Let's go! Oh, it's a giant fish, Kurt. Good luck. Oh, good luck, Kurt. That's a giant. Oh no, is he gonna be in there? Oh, keep him on, baby. That's a big one. Okay, yeah. Alright. Oh boy. Oh, he's out. He's out. Alright, good job. Just keep him over on this side now. Oh, Kurt, way to go.
That's a good size.
That's a
fish,
giant
isn't it?
chrome fish. Let's get a little close up in on the action here. He's working hard for this one. Alright, you got him. You got him out. You got him out. Oh, nice work, Kurt.
I would prefer you stay over on this side. That is a big fish.
That is a nice fresh fish, bud. I hear a little something going on up here. The thing's dogging you.
Got a cramp going. Feels pretty good though.
Yeah, right.
All those cramps. He's not ready to give up. Oh no, this fish isn't ready yet. Yeah, move the thing to the other side of the boat.
Hey Lee, can you grab the net up there? Hey Lee, can you grab the net right there? Yeah. I'll let you do the honors, Lee.
You gotta come back behind me here. What's this guy gonna do? Like drive right up on us? Ooh, that's a big fish.
Keep working them up before you lift this one. This one might be the one you do the technique on for work them up. Got it? Got the net? Orange, yellow, and green. Yeah, all different kinds. Get ready, Lee. Yep. In the net. All right. Beautiful chrome fish. Boy, Kurt, did you have to work for that one?
Oh, I thought that was a hero drift, and then he peeled line.
Yeah, he just decided to not fish where we've been fishing and hero it all the way back to those logs. And boy, I don't know how you kept him out of the logs, partner. That was quite the fish. Time. All right, nice buzzer beater, guys. Let's get a picture of this 8-pound chrome hen.
Can you
Get a quick pick, and then we put these fish right back in, guys. We just get a quick pick. They're not out of the water for more than a minute or two, and they're back in. All right, nice fish. All right, here we are. We are gonna end the day on this one. 3 for 4. Thanks for watching. We're gonna get a revive on this fish. Hopefully she kicks off nice and strong for us, and we'll call it a day.
Well, you saw where it ended up after the first surface thing there when it was just in front of the log. It was like, oh boy, that big handle concept.